Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Namaste. Today is 18th June 2023 Sunday and I am back to Pokhara. The way was a really nightmare. You can see at our bikes here. And also my shoes, I needed to wash my shoes and also pants last night. How are you feeling, Mr. Peter? Good?
Good.
And you?
Nice.
Okay. Peter had a very hard time yesterday, but now he is super happy. We are gonna go to explore some places today in and around Pokhara. Finally we are above the clouds on the way to Kushma, the cliff. This is the bike which I am riding right now. It's Avenger. We just arrived to Kushma and we are right now at a local restaurant, Deepika fast food restaurant, and we are having thukpa here. We came here to the cliff. This is my fourth time I will be jumping from world's highest suspension bridge. This is my third visit to the cliff and I need to fulfill this formality. Well, I was feeling very scared before, but now I am a bit encouraged. It's my first swing today and third swing. I got my weight here. You can see my weight. This is my weight and I need to go to that side to get refreshed and do the jump again. I mean swing.
Deepak പേടിയാ ദീപകിന്റെ കാലെല്ലാം തട്ടി മാറ്റുന്നു. ദീപക് ഹായ് ബോലോ. ഭയങ്കര പേടിയോനെ. ഞാൻ അമ്മാതിരി പേടിയാ. പിന്നെ അവനെങ്ങനെ 3 പ്രാവശ്യം ചാടിയെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ? ഇവന് ഇതിനകത്തോട് നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട് കുഴപ്പം എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോന്ന്. He safe? Hi bro, hi bro. Bro hi bro. അവനതിന്ന് കൈ വിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഹായ്.
I am super happy to overcome my fear once again after doing world's highest canyon swing or bungee swing from the cliff. I'm thankful to my friend from Kerala for waiting for me. He is my friend Manu and that green guy is my friend Peter. They waited for me. It's really a great gesture. You will find many activities here at the cliff. I found this wall climbing. They recently added this. Last time I came here, it was not here. I was actually the last client, and after my canyon swing, they all closed it and they went for food. Hopefully they will have a new client soon. Namaste.
Namaste.
He is taking photo of the Sky restaurant which is there. When I came last time, I did sky cycling as well. It is also very scary. Namaste. So my friends didn't want to try the giant swing, world's highest giant swing. So they used their ticket to buy khaja set. It's Nepali khaja set full of different local ingredients. And also we get water. It looks so good. I'm not hungry at the moment. I could not finish the thukpa in the morning. But we share this food. We just had good lunch here. Sadly, my Keralite friends could not finish the lunch. It was so huge for them. I was also super full. But yeah, I must tell this that I love the cliff, and if you ever visit Pokhara, you must visit the cliff. You should try the world's highest canyon swing and the world's second highest bungee swing, the world's longest and highest sky cycling. Everything is world's highest here. It's so peaceful vibes here. I really liked it. I find the kitty here sleeping. I want to bother her, but I want to film. The cliff's washroom is very clean. Everything is very nice here. We are very thankful to them. Dhanyawaad. My friend Mr. Peter and my friend Manu.
Peter Edwin.
Yeah, and he is Manu. So how was your day?
Very
How are you
thanks.
feeling?
Very
Interesting day
interesting day. World highest point in the Iron Bridge swimming.
Suspension bridge.
Dish.
One guy is being rescued while bungee jumping, just like me. Oh my god. They are shouting. I am so happy after canyon swing. I know how it feels to be there. It's so scary. I don't dare to do bungee twice, but I did canyon swing 3 times, which is amazing. Another bungee master is coming to persuade her to bungee jump, to encourage her. It's a lifetime experience for anyone. When you go there, you feel very scary. Come on, you can do it! They are again persuading her to do the bungee jump, but she is very scared. I can understand her fear because I was also facing the same fear. This man recognized me. I am very thankful to him for recognizing me. She is about to dare again. She will remember this memory for her lifetime. She has done the canyon swing, but it was her first time doing bungee jump. But she attempted twice. Anyway, it's not a big deal. She can come again.
In the fall, there we go. 3.
Oh.
Hello? Thank you, the cliff. Bye bye. How was your experience?
It was really good. I had a lot of fun.
Congratulations.
Would recommend. 10 out of 10.
Congratulations.
Thank
Come
you.
again. I am happy to receive 4th certificate from the cliff. Dhanyawad.
ये फर्स्ट में भी मिलता है या फोर्थ में मिलता है?
Dhanyawad again. We had parked our bike here, and now it's time to leave Kushma to go to other places. We are entering Baglung now. You can see behind my back there is welcome to Baglung board. I am sitting behind this uncle's motorbike for the first time. Yesterday I rode this bike whole day and today as well, but now he wants to drive. He misses driving, I guess. We are going to Golden Bridge of Nepal, which lies in Baglung district. The way is very beautiful. Wherever you go in Nepal, you will find very green and beautiful, clean roads. My My friend is following us from behind. It seems super cool. We parked our bikes. I find out advertisement of Janapriya Multiple Campus where I studied in Pokhara. And we came to here Kalika Bhagwati Mandir. We need to walk for some time to reach to the main temple. Chalu. We came to this Kalika Bhagwati temple in Baglung. It is one of the most popular temples of Nepal. I want this in frame. This in frame.
Yeah.
I am so happy to visit this temple with them. This is the viewpoint at Kalika Bhagwati temple. Okay, now we are about to leave this temple and go to other places to explore. We just visited Kalika Bhagwati temple and now we are super hungry. We need to feed ourselves. We are right now at Summit Restaurant Tatha Kalika Multiplex having steam momo. We just had some cold drinks and milk tea. It seems a nice place to be. It's really interesting to see these wheelchairs. It's for devotees who are disabled. This is for the first time I'm watching wheelchair in the entrance of anything in Nepal. We finally arrived to Gandaki Golden Bridge, which connects two districts which are Parbat and Baglung. It's one of the world's longest suspension bridges. I am so happy to stand over this bridge.
Slowly, slowly.
I'm so happy to be here at the Gandaki Golden Bridge, one of the longest bridges in Nepal, in the whole world. Namaste. There is school, children going to their schools. It's a very historical bridge, and the river you see is Kali Gandaki River, where Saligram's stones are found. Namaste. Those are Sai girls. Bye bye.
Hi.
How are you feeling, Mr. Manu?
Oh, I wonder about this bridge.
I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah. It's so big.
Namaste. He seems to be an actor here. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste.
People are really very cool here, very friendly. Everywhere you go in Nepal, you will find friendly people. Amazing. Wow. Finally, I arrived to Parbat district of Nepal from Baglung district. My friend is resting here. Mr. Peter, how are you?
Fine, fine.
Good to know. Here are some restaurants and also a giant swing nearby. This restaurant operates giant swing. It's a couple swing actually. Very nice. My friend Mano is flying drone over here. We don't know whether his drone will be safe or not. Finally, his drone is safe, not attacked by any enemies. Congratulations to you. It's really cool to see them. They look like siblings with pink colored dress, and also this dog. It's really cool to talk to them. And this dog is a bit scary. He is camera shy. Your name? Your? Okay, nice to meet you. It's really nice to see these students from government school.
YouTube channel name?
Deepak Kushwaha Nepali. This bridge seems really crowded now. It seems like travelers, villagers are passing to their hometown or to some kind of work during the evening time. You can see many Nepalese traveling from one end to another end of the bridge. Finally, I came to another end of the bridge. It's really nice to be here again. I enjoyed today. Now we need to go to another places to explore very soon. They have tied this horse so that someone who is interested for horse riding, they can hire this horse to go to another end of the bridge. Namaste. This is Baglung Bazaar. I alone came here to Panchakot because my friends could not come. The way is very dangerous. It's similar to the way to Pativara. Not similar. The way to Pativara is very dangerous. This is nothing in front of the way to East Nepal. Here we can find small shops. So these are the things here to see. It's really interesting to see the shadow casted by the sun on this beautiful hill. I finally met my beloved Sri Hanumanji. I am so happy. He is our major deity. My family's major deity. It's so beautiful. And here if you come in the early morning, you can also see the white mountains along with this hill. There are many things yet to be constructed here. Since this is also the topmost hill, here is also a shrine. This temple has really a very unique architecture. I got a ticket here to enter this mall. It's 50 rupee worth. It's worth to come here. I have never seen such temple in Nepal, to be honest. I have traveled to almost every places, but this is very unique temple. Wow, I'm so happy to be here. This is a very unique temple I have ever seen in Nepal. Even in India, I didn't see such temple. I really like this architecture and everything here. Jai Shri Muktinath, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna. It is really worth to come here. You must visit this temple once in a lifetime. Wow. Wow, amazing. This has a great potential to be a tourism hub of Baglung. It is indeed a tourism hub. Many people visit it every day. I must say it was worth riding to here. It was a difficult road, but I am happy to be here. I am religious and also I love the architecture. It's unique. It's very unique. Oh my god. So happy to be here. I am so happy to visit this temple. It's really a unique architecture for me. I have never seen such temple anywhere in the world. You must visit this temple if you visit Baglum. Here is my bike. I need to return as soon as possible downhill. I am very thankful to him for subscribing my channel and also clicking beautiful photos of mine. Your name?
Sangam Prajali.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Baglum.
Okay. Very nice to meet you. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad.
Subscribe this channel.
Dhanyawad. My friend again wants to record a drone shot, so his drone is ready. Hope it will be safe.
Video in any police or army officers, sometimes I punish it.
Okay, hope it will be safe. Record well. It's a very beautiful view from here.
You just ask.
Here are few locals. Namaste. Here are two again new locals. Hello. Hello. Namaste.
Hello.
He wants to film the village called Lahore People, which is just in front of me right now. Please introduce yourself.
It's me, Sujata Sapkota. I'm from Baglum.
Yes.
And it's me, Susanna Casey from Baglum.
Okay. I am very happy to meet these beautiful girls. They are very friendly and open-minded. They represent a real Nepali people. Yeah. It's really interesting to see these Nepalese playing sports, football and other sports as well. Let's go, my friend Peter. My friends were tired, so we stopped at Maljunga here for tea and also for eating something. So probably this is their first time they are having chana here in Nepal. With tea, milk tea. He drinks milk tea without sugar. Me as well without sugar, but he is with sugar. I am very thankful to this Mogar Ama for great tea and food. Dhanyawaad. We again came to the cliff to film night view. It looks beautiful. I am happy to meet my Chinese friend Liu Lin Jie in Pokhara here. Yeah. We arrived to Pokhara, we parked our bike and now looking for food. It was really a very nice day, very memorable day for me. I came to Lake Lovers restaurant and I am very happy to meet Alex Nepali sir.
Jai Ho, please follow his vlog.
Sauni mole lana dialiskeps, mokai kero si dere vai pat. Sauni mole lana dialiskeps. China virus. Alidakum, otima, sai matangi shudili sotima. Alidakum, otima. Side my tongue is shooting, let's sort them up. Dory guy a curse and then you like Johnny Ho! What's the name of that? What's the name of that? Bushman Johnny face a China. Da 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 China. Like Johnny Ho. Back to me, they go, they ho. Back to me, they go, they ho. Party got the China. Like Johnny Ho. Party got the China. Like Johnny Ho. Party got China. Like Johnny Ho. Party got the China. Go they hit they ho. So Sara de Johnny Ho. Back to me, they go, they
We are gonna eat pakoda here. We are having food now finally. It's fried rice. He is having roti. And he is also having fried rice. I had dinner along with my Indian friends from Kerala. I escorted them. And I just wanted to have my own time. So I came to the lake. I'm right now at Halan Chowk, going to touch the water of Fewa Lake and take the blessings. I came to Pokhara yesterday night, but I didn't take the blessings yet. I can see some fishes inside the lake, small fishes. Now I will walk back to my hotel from this food truck. I have emotional ties with Pokhara, so I wanted to have my own time. I will go to the hotel straight. I don't know who is sleeping there, but I got scared. I finished my short lonely walk. Now I go to sleep. Thank you very much for watching my video, everyone. Dhanyawaad. Good night.